Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to speed ramp your clips using only the graph editor. Many of you asked me to show this method too. If you're new on the channel or don't know how to create stabilized speed ramps, make sure to check out the full tutorial in the description below. Let's begin. First, enable time remapping. Now, as an AM Film subscriber, you already know how I speed ramp all the clips. I just drag the time forward or backward to set the beginning and the ending of the speed ramp, but I won't change the time and simply create several keyframes on the layer. To explain it better, I'll create 4 keyframes and make a double reverse speed ramp. I'm placing the keyframes randomly, but in your case, make sure to create them right on the beat drops of the song. Once you are done and all the keyframes are placed on the beats, we can select all of them and press F9 on the keyboard to ease them. Then go to Graph Editor, right-click here and select Edit Value Graph. If I play the video now, you'll see that nothing changes, and this is where the fun begins. We'll start adjusting the curve and setting the beginning and end of the speed ramp with the curve. Let's begin with the first keyframe here to set the beginning. Click on it and hold to drag it up or down. Make sure to hold Shift on your keyboard to keep the movement linear and prevent it from going left or right. So let's say I want my speed ramp to start right here. Now let's jump to the next keyframe. Just press K on the keyboard to jump there. By dragging it up, I will set the ending of it. So here I have 2 keyframes with the beginning and the ending of the clip. Since I'm doing the reverse speed ramp, I'll do the same with the next 2 keyframes. Let's press K, then I'll move it up slightly until I'm happy with it. Now, let's select the last one and move it up as well. If you have seen my other speed ramp tutorials, this curve will be familiar to you. It indicates that the video will reverse twice, which we refer to as a double reverse speed ramp. Once we're done setting the timing of the speed ramp, we should also smooth the curve to create smooth speed ramps. Let's quickly check it. And here we go. Let me know in the comments if it was easy to do. Let me show you one more example with just 2 keyframes, a simple speed ramp that moves in one direction without any reversing. Once time remapping is enabled, let's scroll forward a bit, or to a music beat drop and create a new keyframe there. Now select both keyframes and press F9 on the keyboard to ease them, then go to the graph editor. Here let's do the same. I'll drag the second keyframe until I'm happy with the clip's ending. Now let's jump to the first keyframe and set the beginning as well. Once it looks good, we can smooth the curve and then check the result. That's it. I hope it was easy to follow. If you're new to speed ramps, make sure to check out my full speed ramp tutorial in the description below. This method might be a bit tricky if you're just starting out. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.